Good evening and welcome. This week, a lady IPS officer from Bengaluru exposed the VVIP facilities allegedly available for a price at one of the biggest prisons in the country. Sasikala, allegedly for a price of 2 crore rupees, was able to manage special facilities, including a special kitchen for herself. The kingpin of one of India's biggest scams lives in a room that's like a 5-star hotel, all in jail. Instead of supporting the officer, instead of commending her for being a whistleblower, the state government has got after her. They have attacked her for speaking to the media, and she is fighting tonight all alone. A couple of weeks back, another lady IPS officer who took on BJP leaders who were breaking the rules was shunted out, transferred. The message and intent is simple. Whether you are DIG Rupa or Police Officer Shrestha Thakur or IAS Officer Durga Shakti Nagpal, if you take on the politicians, you will be taught a lesson. If you're a police officer who puts on the sandals for politicians, as has happened in the past, you will be rewarded. Honesty will be punished, and honest government officers will be bullied into submission. This republic must now challenge this assumption. Gaikwad and Diwakar Reddy must not be allowed to fly after assaulting airline staff. Rupa and Shrestha Thakur must not be hounded. Times have changed, ladies and gentlemen. And if the perceptions of the political class in this country have not changed, then let us, you and me, force it to happen. The choice is ours, and the time to make that change is now. And that's debate number one this evening. Debate number one tonight: don't punish honesty. Case studies and a call for action. That's coming up. That's debate number one. For years now, as a journalist, I have witnessed, raised, reported and debated on how in this country all attempts are made to crush honesty and trample upon the honest. Today, we have all come across yet another incident, and ladies and gentlemen, it breaks my heart to see the entire system gang up against a brave officer for exposing the rot within. Her name is D. Rupa, an officer known for exemplary service and a straightforward attitude. Her report on the wrongdoings in the Bengaluru jail has exposed how billion-dollar convicts like Abdul Karim Telgi and Sasikala are given 5-star treatment. Tonight, I will speak up with you for officers like Rupa who are still hounded by our netas.
So, singling me out looks unfair. Honorable CM has taken my name and said for going to the media there will be an inquiry. I have no qualms about even that. Let there be a free and fair inquiry, and truth will come out.
D. Rupa is brave. D. Rupa is courageous. D. Rupa is true to herself and her uniform. She's a 2000 batch IPS officer who's currently the Deputy Inspector General of Prisons in Congress-ruled Karnataka, a state that treats criminals like Abdul Karim Telgi, who've cheated India of billions, like VVIP state guests. In his 5-star prison suite, as seen in the CCTV visuals, Telgi has 2 helpers, one who's seen sitting by his bed and the other walking around. With a comfortable bed, 51-inch LED TV, ceiling fan, mineral water dispenser, special flooring, life is good for this scamster. So is it for VK Sasikala, who allegedly has a special kitchen for herself in the same jail. But outside, a police officer who's exposed the rot, an officer known for a meritorious service and no-nonsense attitude, is now being hounded by the state.
See, I have no eggs to grind, and if I had any loopholes to hide, I wouldn't have taken this step of exposing. And I don't gain anything by this. And my only intention was bona fide to correct the irregularities in the system. And for that, if I'm targeted, it is unfair. Actually, I've made a lot of enemies by this. And let there be an inquiry on who released it to the media. Yes, fair enough. I'm open to it. But targeting unnecessarily, I think, and singling me out, I think is not fair.
with the Chief Minister himself going on record to question her intent.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಟಿವಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ ವರದಿ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ, ಬೇಡ ನೋ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಭ್ರಷ್ಟಾಚಾರ ನಡೆದಿದ್ರೆ ವರದಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಗೆ ವರದಿ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಶಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಗಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ಟಿವಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು, that is prohibited.
It's not the first time when police officers like D. Rupa are punished for fighting the system. Not too long ago in Yogi Adityanath's Uttar Pradesh, a fiery cop, Shrestha Thakur, who took on BJP men, was transferred. We remember how Haryana SP Sangeeta Kalia, who took on an arrogant minister, was punished. Be it a state ruled by Congress or the BJP, both parties seem equally responsible for going after officers who've exposed their failure. Bureau Report, Republic TV.